I just love talking in front of cameras. I love talking in front of cameras. I'm joking. My name is Larry. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you some vending machine equipment that I have for sale. If you're in the Central Texas area, in and around Austin, San Antonio, Waco, San Marcos, anywhere around there, and you're looking for some used vending machines, I'd be glad to help you out. My contact information will be listed down below. If you're looking for parts, service, moving vending machines, I do all that, and I give consultation. So, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy end of 2020. And here's what I have for sale. Okay, here we have a Royal 650. It's got a little damage on the side where someone had dropped it. But other than that, it's in good shape. Lights work on it. It gets freezing cold on the inside. It is MDB, so you can add your credit card reader on it. So let's open her up. Alright. It's got a few sodas in there. Got 12 columns. Holds a lot of drinks. Compressor is in good shape. Got instructions on how to program. See, we got a Coinco coin mechanism, Coinco bill acceptor. It's missing a cash box, but I got that. I'll put that in there. I am asking $850 or best offer for this machine. Dixie Narco 501E. It's in U shape. Has a cutout there for your side lock. This one works. It's freezing cold on the inside. Needs some minor touch-ups, but I can have this thing in showroom condition for the right price. This one's in good shape with the exception of being a little bit dirty. Here I'm asking $650 or best offer. We have a CB700 vending machine. It is in real good shape. It works. It was just recently serviced. CB700, assuming it holds about 700 canned sodas. That's the name. Needs a little TLC. It's a little bit dirty. It's been in storage a while. See, we got a Conlux coin mechanism and Coinco bill acceptor. This one works well. This machine I am asking $850 or best offer. I deliver locally for a small fee. Over here we have a Royal 630. This one works. It's missing that little deal right there, but I got one of those. This is a bottle machine. All right. Looks like a Dixie Narco cooling unit at the bottom of it. We got Mars bill acceptor, Mars coin mechanism, and the lights work. This machine is selling for $650 or best offer. Same thing. I deliver for a small fee. Let me know. Comment down at the bottom. Let me know what you think.